Assalamualaikum, hai, Aceh here. Saya teka apa yang baru sampai. Okay, ni kira Aceh punya first ever unboxing. So it's time to unbox it. Kita akan unbox benda ni. I'm not very good at unwrap it, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best to unwrap it nicely. Okay, benda ni is a joy that I want to share with everyone. Okay, sebab Aceh dah lama tak shopping buku fizikal. Buku fizikal yang memang fizikal. Selalunya Aceh akan baca through Kindle je. So sekarang buku fizikal. Tada. Dia balut cantik kot dengan wrapper warna purple ni. Box yang ni pula, unwrap yang ni pula. We kena unwrap it. We kena unwrap it. This is my first time doing unboxing thing, so I don't know what to talk about. I'm just gonna I try my best to be entertainer. I'm not sure what kind of entertainer I am, but I'm just gonna try. Subhanallah, selalu teruk sangat aku ni. Dibalut sangat secure, okay? Sebab banyak lapis. Dah koyak ada lagi, dah koyak ada lagi. Jadi mengambil masa yang agak panjang. Can you see it? Okay, what was I thinking? It's like trying to pull baby from... That's the wrong analogy, I take it back, I'm sorry. So sorry. After very much hard work untuk keluarkan buku ni daripada kotak ni, lahirlah. Gorgeous! So pretty! Okay, this is Caravelle Holiday Edition, Holiday Collection. Okay, ada kat sini ada 4 buku dia, 4 series dia. Ni ikut siri dia, Caravelle. Set siri ni hari tu dia ada sale tau. Memang murah gila. Lepas tu macam Aceh terlepas daripada beli waktu sale tu. So dia dah sold out. Jadi Aceh pun carilah siri ni.